Under the warmth of the early summer skies, the full flower moon rises in Sagittarius, bright, curious, and wise. The night hums with quiet power as the earth blooms in full expression, each petal reaching skyward in sacred offering. And just like these radiant flowers, your spirit is also ready to open, boldly, unapologetically, and in full color. This moon is a mirror to your inner landscape. It invites you to show up as you truly are, beautiful, layered, perhaps even a little bit wild. You hold multitudes of seeds of future dreams, the nectar of insight, and the quiet strength to protect what matters the most. Just as every flower has its own medicine, so too do you carry sacred gifts that are waiting to be shared. Sagittarius brings the fire of vision and the call of the unknown. It stirs the heart to seek truth, walk freely, unbounded by old stories or even inherited fears. This moonlight may awaken the part of you that's been waiting to leap into new beliefs, new journeys, or even deeper trust in your own path. Come and join me at the Kundalini Sanctuary on June the 10th for this full moon, as together we will move energy through the Kundalini Kriyas, breathwork, grounding meditations, and above all, the sacred sound medicine of the gongs, crystal bowls, and our beautiful voices. Come as you are and bloom as you were meant to be. June the 10th, which is a Tuesday, offered in person and live stream. All levels, ages, identities, always welcome. Satnam.